Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Ethereum and picking up where we left off in the previous Ethereum video. So what we've been talking about is mostly just looking at where the whole situation with FTX and how that has crashed the crypto market. So what we're looking at first here is with Ethereum is the date of November 4th. We're taking that because it's just before the price of Ethereum had come down significantly within this crash. So at that time, we were seeing the price of Ethereum that was around $1,600, $1,700 at that time. And then the FTX news has happened, and then we had seen the price come down a bit. We went up in a wave 2, and then we came down within a wave 3, or we can say we came down within a wave 5. But there's multiple different possibilities here. Of course, we can't rule everything out. And I was talking about the possibility of then seeing this either being the correction that was taking place, and we could be seeing this go up within a 5-wave correction up and possibly take us back to where we were or something. But at the same time, I was thinking that the trend was going down, and I was saying that this could easily just be a wave 4 to the upside. And then at some point, we would be seeing that wave 5 coming down. So just a continuation from this whole FTX drama, taking the price of Ethereum down even more. And that's what looks like currently that is actually happening. Because I was talking about this wedge pattern, and I was saying that since the trend was coming down, that more than likely within this little correction that we're seeing, that this was going to come down one more leg down and take us into that wave 5 to the downside and go somewhere within the range that could be a bit lower than the wave 3, which the wave 3 was at the price of $1,070, somewhere around there where it was. So I was saying that we could be seeing it come down below $1,000 within the 5th wave, which I know a lot of people don't want to hear that. But of course, that's the current market condition, and the overall market is very bearish at this moment. So we're kind of just thinking that this is going to continue a little bit. We're not out of the woods yet with all this FTX fallout that's currently happening. So as far as where I think the price could be going, if we were to just take the Fibonacci retracement and we were to drag this down to the wave 4, then I would think that within this current price dip right now, we could possibly be coming down, like I was saying, one price or one Fibonacci level lower than the wave 3, and that could put us somewhere within the range below $1,000. I'm thinking closer to $900 as a possibility. I know no one wants to hear that, but I think that's where we're currently headed. I think we're headed down near the price of $900, and that's very close to the 52-week low of Ethereum, which is at the price of $880. So hopefully we don't fall down that low. Hopefully we see somewhere between that range of $1,000 and $900. But I think that this could be a decent-sized dip that we still have. So this wave 5 could take us down somewhere within that range. Hopefully just not below the 52-week low, because then that's going to reset a lot of things. So if we were to look at how things are currently lining up, if I'm to pan out here, currently, if we look at how things have played out with Ethereum, and we're looking at the previous 52-week low that we had back in the middle of June, we're calling that the start of our wave 1, and we had completed that wave 1 in the middle of August. So we went from $880 up to a price of $2,000, around $2,000 to complete the wave 1, and then we come down within this wave 2, which we thought after we had broken out of this wedge pattern here that we would be seeing Ethereum's price just continue to move to the upside within a wave 3. So that ended up not being the case. We had to throw that out, and then now I'm thinking that we're going to be seeing this wave 2 come down to that price closer to the $900 price range, and then from there, as long as we don't surpass the 52-week low, we could be then at some point going up within that wave 3. When all this is going to be taking place, who knows? It's been trading sideways for a bit longer than I thought it would. And so I think that at some point here, as we do go down and we start to fall through these different Fibonacci levels, that we will see this all play out and reach that wave 5 and complete the wave 2, and then hopefully move to the upside. If we end up falling below where we have the 52-week low with Ethereum, then I think we're going to be seeing the price of Ethereum coming down quite a bit lower, just like what we had seen happen with Bitcoin, where Bitcoin's price just recently fell down to $15,500 due to the whole FTX drama, and that was its new 52-week low. And its previous 52-week low before that was on the same day as Ethereum's 52-week low. So Seeing that Bitcoin managed to come down recently lower than that, that hopefully is not going to be the same case for Ethereum. So if we manage to see the wave 5 come down and not fall down below the start of our wave 1, then we have a good chance of still seeing things go into recovery and start to see the wave 3 that would be going to the next, which usually is always the largest wave impulse. That would have to, of course, surpass where it was within the wave 1. So it would have to go past that price of $2,000 and continue working its way up there. Now, as far as where do I think that could go, though, I think that it could possibly go to a price that's around $3,000 as a possibility. And I know that that's kind of a stretch there, but I'm just thinking about the wave 3 and how much it has to recover. And if we look at the price of Ethereum when it was coming down, when we look at the wave 3 coming down, that had been a significant price movement. It had taken Ethereum's price down to around the range of $2,100, very similar to where we were at within our wave 1 resistance that we had. So with that, I'm thinking that we might be able to see the price of Ethereum go somewhere near where our wave 4 was, and that would be within that price of $3,000 to even $3,600 is where I think it could be going. So that would be a really nice price retracement from those previous losses within this wave 3. So a lot really is riding on the possibility of Ethereum not being able to fall below its 52-week low, because then that could trigger a bit more of a sell-off. So we don't want to see Ethereum's price really falling below that $900 price. It's very key. But I think that since we are seeing the price currently dip, that we will be seeing this wave 5 completion, in my opinion, and that would complete the wave 2 from the much larger impulses. And then if it lines up right, then I think we might be able to see a really nice recovery, hopefully, with Ethereum. But there's still that bearish news out there as far as who's holding a lot of the Ethereum from the FTX fallout. The Bahama government, they have a lot of Ethereum right now, and it's in their hands. So what's going to happen with that? There's a sell-off that ends up happening, then that could just completely crash the crypto market severely. So we'll have to be monitoring Ethereum's price a lot. So if you want to stay up to date on what happens with Ethereum, I talk about it every single day. I, of course, also talk about Bitcoin every single day and many other altcoins as well. So if you like content like this, please do consider subscribing. So anyways, I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts, opinions about this. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about Ethereum? Do you think that Ethereum's price is one more leg down? And how low do you think it will go? Do you think it will go somewhere between that range of $1,900? Or do you think that the new 52-week low, the new bottom, will be in with that? I would like to know. So thank you for watching and listening. I'll see you all in the next one.